Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's video is about these gloves. They are Scotch-brite Aloe Vera coated gloves and the MRP of one pair is 190, but we got it from Amazon at a discount of rupees 148 only. And these gloves have an aloe vera gel coating on top, so they stay cool and comfortable. The front has the textured design for the excellent grip, no slipping of item, and you can use these gloves for gardening, dusting, dishwashing or cutting vegetables. Okay, here is the cuff, a beaded one, and cuff is quite loose, so putting them on and taking them off is hassle free. I mostly wear these gloves to cut vegetables or wash dishes, and you can use these in normal or lukewarm water, not too hot, otherwise you will feel the heat. And they clean easily. Like right now I have peeled a pomegranate and they are all red. Just wash them with simple water and they are spotless. Now hang them to dry by pinning from the fingers, and even after use your hands stay dry. They are breathable, lightweight and super comfortable to wear. Overall it's a good product, but there is only one catch, that they felt a little big for my size. My finger goes up by extra 1 inch. This size is 11 centimeter, but they are quite loose for my hand. I wish the fingers were a tad shorter, but otherwise it's a solid product worth trying. And if you like the video, subscribe. Bye bye.